Say hi, chickens. Chickens don't know that they're chickens because they always say duck, 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 duck. Try and tell us they're ducks. You ain't no duck, you chicken. Say chick, 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 not duck, duck, duck. In the line of being cheap, which I am extremely, free heat. Top of that tree broke off, which I was going to cut down anyway for firewood. So, cut and split wood. Anyhow, firewood goes over here under the shed. There's our wood burner.
Free energy, free heat.
Yeah, free heat. Now this should be a nice place to play metal detect out here in the country. This is actually a chicken farm, small, hobby style. But the owner said that they found some cannonballs digging some garden. So we've kind of been invited, sorta, to check around. So I'm gonna. I'll come across this spot here. All these little mounds covered with this ground vine. A lot of nails and things in here. Like, I don't know why. What was put here? I'll investigate more. I don't know. It looks like it was a type of a comb. It rang up kind of high in these mounds. Well, I got a nice solid tone here under some roots. That's slab of iron. Out here brush busting out here again. That chicken farm was quite a disappointment. Found nothing but beer cans and old nails. So come over here, look around here some more, do some more brush busting hunting. Got a nice high tone. There's another lighter. How about that? Yep, doing some more brush busting where some houses used to be. Stopped off up the street to look where a house used to be, but I could not find any trace. It's so overgrown. So come down, back down to here, the spooky place. Check around here some more. But so far, found a lighter. And here I find a spoon. It just was stuck under there. I don't know what it says. Check it out. Well, I'll be. Just under the surface here was another spoon, little teaspoon. Might be a spoon day. How about that? I figured I could find another one out here somewhere. If the handle is around, I can't find it. How cool. Down here under this tree's roots, what's left of a license plate. That's pretty cool. See, like, here's a pretty good signal. I think I'm catching off the edge. I think it's actually right about there. So we'll dig it up, see what it is. It says penny about surface, because it was saying about 4 inches down. Till I scrape the stuff away. Let's see. Yep. Right about there. See what it is. So that's what it is. A hunk of iron from something. How about that? Well, now I don't know, is that worth messing with? That is pretty rough. Pretty cool, but pretty rough. I don't think I want to mess with that. I'll leave it here. If I can find the rest of it, maybe. Hey! Digging in here after some aluminum noise. I find a marble. I got another marble. Like, yay! The purpose of this little excursion is a little different. I don't have the detector with me. I'm going after walnuts. Show you when I get there. Now here's something different since last time I was here. Got roadblocks. Totally vine covered tree. Broke off up there. Must have been during the storms. How am I going to tromp through this mess? The walnuts are over there. So I try and come around from the other direction, because the road circles around down here on the end, connects two roads. I come down the road, it goes around over to where it just was. And now I got another damn mess. Because here's what's going on. See, nature is taking these trees down. They're covered with vinage. Well, I want to get over there where the big walnuts are. Let me see about going around the end here. We'll come out here to some of the mowed yards. Got out of brush busting for a while and find a 69 penny over here. Well, that's pretty cool. Now, this is one damn big hunk of industrial whatever, and it is heavy. Wonder what it was. Kind of looks like maybe type of a valve. I don't